Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Toy Time! Thank you to all you guys who subscribe to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Also, every time we get a new subscriber, we send a shout out to one new subscriber. Today, because we got so many subscribers last time, I'm gonna do a shout out to two new kiddos that are watching our channel, Carly and David. Today is a big shout out to both of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to Toy Toy Time. If you want to get a shout out here from our channel, next time it can be you. All you have to do is watch our video, look for the smiley face on my hand. When you spot the smiling face during the video, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. Also, give us a thumbs up to let us know that you like our video. Okay, so are you guys ready? Do you have paper, markers, and coloring pencil? So let's go ahead and start drawing and coloring with Toy Toy Time. On today's video, we're gonna draw a soccer ball. It looks like the soccer ball emoji. Are you ready? So let's go! First, we're gonna draw a big circle in the middle of the paper. I'm used to drawing circles, so I'm just gonna place my hand in the middle and work around with the marker. You can also use a dish and trace around the dish so you have a very nice and round circle. Now I'm gonna finish on this side here. How are you guys doing? Did you guys trace the circle? You can either draw with freehand or you can use something round that you have at home and just trace around it. Okay, so now we're gonna draw a pentagon. Find the middle of the soccer ball and it's gonna be slightly above the middle. Just draw 5 lines connecting. A pentagon is a geometric figure that has 5 sides. Now that we drew the pentagon, on each corner of the pentagon, we're gonna draw a line and make a triangle that ends at the soccer ball. 2 lines that connect to the soccer ball. So now another line and 2 lines connecting to the soccer ball. 1 more line connected to the soccer ball to each side. And now 1 more. You can connect it to the soccer ball. And this one, it's almost like you can see the seam from the end of this shape right there. All right, very nice, guys. How did you guys do? Oh, great job. I love it. Great drawing skills. Okay, so now that we're done drawing the soccer ball, it's time to color the soccer ball. This is a very easy drawing to color because you don't need to use lots of coloring pencil. I selected a darker gray pencil and I'm just gonna alternate coloring each one of the areas of the soccer ball, starting with the pentagon that we drew first in the middle of the circle. Good job, guys. So you're gonna color that all around, stay inside the lines. You can shade it a little. Make sure that you color the whole pentagon. Very nice. With the same pencil, I'm gonna add another layer of the color because I want to make sure that this color is very saturated and very bright. So you can do the same. I'm focusing more on the corners, so it almost looks like there's a little shade on the corner and it's a shine in the middle of the pentagon. Now we're gonna color the areas that we drew at the end of each line that we connected to the pentagon. There are gonna be 5 areas, so you're gonna paint those areas. We're gonna color those areas in the same gray that we used for the pentagon in the middle of the soccer ball. So we colored 1, we're gonna color the second one, and you do the same to all 5 areas. 1 more area. You guys are doing great. Good job, good drawing, and awesome coloring. Okay, so we're finishing coloring this area. And now we're gonna finish coloring this area right here with the gray pencil. Good job, everyone. And last but not least, this area right here. Same pencil. Alright, that looks amazing. Awesome drawing and coloring. Now one more trick. I'm gonna use the white pencil to just do one extra layer in the pentagon in front of the soccer ball. That's just gonna blend the color really well and make it look like leather. It's gonna look like a real soccer ball. Good job, everyone. If you have a white pencil, do the same. And if you don't have a white pencil, just you finish your coloring and it looks amazing. You can also use a white crayon if you have that. Alright, so now we're all done drawing and coloring a soccer ball. Good job, everyone. I hope you had fun drawing with Toy Toy Time. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel so we know that you are enjoying the content that we're creating for you. Also, give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked this video. We'll see you guys on our next coloring and drawing time. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching Toy Toy Time. Subscribe!